Most people think you need to be a coding genius, have tons of experience, or spend years learning just to make money with AI. Well, in 2026, that is completely wrong. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how people are building entire AI income systems using free tools, even if they're starting as complete beginners. Stick around, because this changes everything. So, what exactly is an AI income system? It's simple. AI does the work, not you. You stop trading your hours for money. Instead, AI takes over tasks like content creation, detailed research, automating workflows, and even handling customer replies. Your only job is to connect the different parts of the system just once. After that, it runs on its own, generating value while you focus on the bigger picture. It's about building a machine that works for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about the core AI tools that make this all possible. These are the free, powerful tools people are using right now to build their income systems. First, we have ChatGPT. Think of it as your strategic brain for planning, writing scripts, creating offers, and brainstorming endless ideas. Next, there's CapCut AI, which is incredible for turning those ideas into engaging videos without any editing experience. For all your visuals, Canva AI is the key. It helps you design eye-catching thumbnails, social media posts, and simple designs in seconds. Finally, the glue that holds it all together is Zapier AI. This tool automates the workflow between all your other apps. The best part? No coding and no technical skills are needed. It all comes down to giving the right prompts. Let's walk through a real system a beginner could set up today. It starts with ChatGPT, where you generate a month's worth of content ideas in minutes. Then you feed those ideas into CapCut AI, which automatically turns them into short, shareable videos. Next, you jump over to Canva AI to create professional-looking thumbnails for each video. Once everything is ready, you can have platforms like YouTube or TikTok distribute your content to the world. Over time, the traffic you generate from this automated system turns into real income streams, like ad revenue, affiliate income from products you recommend, or even sales of your own digital products. AI runs the engine. You just manage the direction. So, why does this method work so well, especially in 2026? It's because AI has completely removed the old barriers to entry. You don't need to be a skilled writer, a video editor, or a graphic designer anymore. AI handles the technical execution. At the same time, online platforms are rewarding consistency more than perfection. They want a steady flow of content, and that's exactly what an AI system is built to deliver. Beginners actually have a huge advantage here because they can lean on AI to do all the heavy lifting from day one. The sooner you start building these systems, the stronger and more profitable they become over time. It's a compounding game, and the best time to start is now. I share free AI money systems like this on my channel every single day. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in 2026 and not get left behind, make sure you subscribe now. AI isn't slowing down, and neither should you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.